In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the FaceTime call not receiving problem. If you've been experiencing issues with receiving FaceTime calls, you're in the right place. Let's walk through some steps to get your FaceTime back on track. First, we need to check your internet connection. It's crucial to ensure that you're connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi or cellular network, as FaceTime requires a reliable internet connection to function correctly. If you're on Wi-Fi and experiencing issues, try switching to mobile data to see if that makes a difference, or vice versa. Sometimes network glitches can be the culprit, and simply toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data can resolve the issue. Next up, restart your device. It might sound simple, but a reboot can often solve many temporary glitches that occur within your phone's system. Turn your device off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh your system and potentially solve any minor bugs that might be interfering with FaceTime. Now let's ensure that FaceTime is enabled on your device. To do this, head over to your settings, navigate to apps, and find FaceTime. Once you're there, check that FaceTime is turned on. If it was disabled for any reason, enabling it should allow you to start receiving calls again. Another important check is to see if your iOS is up to date. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues that might interfere with how apps like FaceTime perform. Go to your settings, then General, and tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Keeping your software current ensures that your device has the latest performance improvements and bug fixes. Moving on, let's take a look at your FaceTime notifications. Notifications need to be enabled for you to receive alerts about incoming calls. Head over to Settings, then Notifications, and select FaceTime. Ensure that Allow Notifications is switched on. This will ensure you don't miss any calls just because your device didn't notify you. It's also a good idea to check if Do Not Disturb or Focus Mode is enabled on your device. These features are great for minimizing distractions during crucial times, but they can also silence incoming FaceTime calls. Visit your settings, go to Focus, and make sure no active focus mode is silencing your calls unintentionally. Lastly, if you're still having issues, consider resetting your network settings. This step will revert any network configurations back to their default settings, which can solve stubborn connection problems. But keep in mind, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so only proceed if you're comfortable with re-entering those later. To do this, go to Settings, then General, proceed to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings, and let your device refresh its network configurations. I hope these steps help you resolve the issue and get your FaceTime calls coming through clearly again. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any other questions you might have.